How to add Amazon affiliate link to Instagram story. So to create a new story, swipe left, or you can just go and click on top right side corner here on your profile icon. Just go and click on plus, right? Now let's say I just want to create a normal image here. Okay, so I want to go and select this image, right? And tap the sticker icon on the top right corner of the screen, right? And here you have to go and select the link sticker. So this is a link sticker here. Now here you have to paste the link. So for example, I don't have any links. I will just paste the link here. Let's say I will just write here amazon.in, right? And here you can customize the sticker text. So here you can say write best deals, right? I will just go and click on done. Now this is the best deals. Now I will just go and click on your story. So now what will happen when I just go and once let my story get uploaded here. Now it's uploaded, so I will just go and click on here. This is the best deal. Go and click on your affiliate link and automatically it will take me to Amazon, and whoever buy from this, you will get an affiliate income. Right now you can share your story, and depending upon how much audience you have, you will get the affiliate link clicks, right? This is a way to do it. Thanks for watching this video.